wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, now before we start the lesson, I want you to pray first. And please, Chairman, lead your friend to pray.
Okay, before we start our lessons, let's pray. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ilma warzuqni fahman. Amin.
Okay, I will check your attendance. Who is absent today?
Imam, Miss.
Imam. Okay.
Fauzan.
Fauzan. Okay. Only two of them?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so before we start the lesson, I will check your understanding about our last material. Who still remember what we learned last week? Okay, procedure text. What do you know about procedure text?
It has a step, please.
Okay, step. And today we will learn about narrative text. And before I show you the slide, I have a question to you. Do you have a favorite fairy tale or legend? How about you, Indri? And legend, do you have any favorite stories about legend?
Miss
Rion?
Tangkuryang, Miss.
Tangkuryang. And Tari? Don Mas. How about you?
Red onion and garlic, Miss.
Okay. What makes the story, like you said before, it interesting to read? What makes a story interesting to read?
Because there are moral value.
Okay, because there are moral values. Okay, and today we will learn about narrative text. Okay, narrative text. And at the end of this lesson, I hope you will be able to identify the structure and the language feature of narrative text, and you can make your own text. Okay. Are you familiar with this poster?
Yes.
The first one is Indri has been noticed before. It's Cinderella, Malin Kundang, and Snow White. Who's the main character of the Cinderella? Cinderella. And what's the conflict of the stories?
She's a liar, Miss.
She's a liar. What's your opinion, Indri? What is the conflict? You noticed it before. You don't know the story? You just know the title?
Yes.
Okay.
Bullying, Miss.
Bullying, okay, correct. And how about Malin Kundang? What is the conflict, Rian? Can you explain?
He's not accept his mother.
Okay, so accept his mother. And the last one is Snow White. Latifa? Who is the main character? Snow White. And how about the conflict of the story? Okay, berlanjut. Okay. So, do you know about the poster that I show you in the slide, right? And next, okay, I will explain about the types of narrative text. So actually there are so many types of narrative text, but I will show you just 4 of them. So the first one is fairy tales. Tari, can you read it for me? Yeah, they are fairy tales. a fictional story that usually contains magic, princesses, witches, or magical creatures. For example, Cinderella, Snow White, and Sleeping Beauty. Okay, thank you so much, Tadi. And next is Fable. Dila, can you read it for me?
A short story in which animals act like humans and usually teaches moralism. Examples: the lion and the mouse, the hare and the tortoise, and the fox and the grapes.
Okay, thanks so much, Dila. And next we move into legend. Abdul, can you read it for me?
Yes, miss.
Legend.
Legends. Traditional story believed to be based on historical events or places. Examples: Malay Kundang, the legend of Tobale, and Sangkuriang.
Okay, and the last one is science fiction. Rion, can you read it for me?
A story based on advanced science, technology, or life in future. Examples: The Time Machine, Journey to the Center of the Earth.
Okay, so this is the types of narrative text. The first one is fairy tales, fable, legend, and science fiction. Indri, are you familiar with the four of these, or maybe you just familiar with one or two?
To me, it's fairy tales and fable.
Okay, how about you, Tifa?
Fairy tales and legends.
Fairy tales and legend. So, do you like read about Malin Kundang, right? Malin Kundang. And Tari, how about you? Are you familiar with the four of these, or maybe only two?
Yes, miss.
Which one?
Legend, miss.
Legend. Okay. Okay. Next, we move into generic structure. So, narrative text have four generic structure. The first one is orientation. So orientation is the opening part of the story, and it introduces the characters, setting, and time of the story. So orientation, usually you can find it at the first paragraph, right? And next is complication. Complication is the part where a problem, conflict, or a challenge arises in the story. So like we mentioned before, like the Snow White. So the Snow White have a conflict. She ate apel beracun. So that is the complication. And next is resolution. Resolution is the part where the problem is solved. Tifa, do you know how Snow White solved her problem? You forget. Oh, okay. And next is reorientation. So the reorientation part, it is conclude the whole of the story, and this is the conclusion, moral message, or character development at the end of the story. But actually, reorientation is optional to. If we write a narrative text, the orientation part is actually optional to write. And next is language features. The first one is simple past tense. Can anyone explain to me what is simple past tense? Do please.
Oh no, I forget what the past tense is.
Rian.
It is sentence that show past event.
Okay, sentence show past event. Like I show at the slide, for example, like leave, when, or how. And next is adverb of time. Indri, do you know what is adverb of time? Can you explain to me? Okay, correct. So for example, like today, one day, and tomorrow. Next is adjective and noun phrase. Okay, now let's practice. I'll show you the text, the example of narrative text. the example of narrative text. I want you to read it for me. Maybe the first one is Latifa. Can you read the first paragraph?
Sampuriang and Dayang Sumbi.
Louder, please.
Sampuriang and Dayang Sumbi. Once upon a time, a happy family lived in a kingdom of Priangan land. They were about to mother in the form of a dog. This man was Tumang, a mother who was called Sumbi, and a child who was called Sampuriang. One day, Dayang Sumbi asked her son to wound his lovely dog Tumang. After wounding her, Sampuriang began desperate and worried because he had no ear. Then he thought of shooting his dog. After that, he took the revolver and carried it home.
Okay, thank you so much, Tifa. But okay, but some of your pronouns is not correct. Like the after hunting all day. You said before is after hunting all day, yeah? But the correct pronoun is after hunting all day. Can you say it again? After hunting all day. So,
After hunting all day.
okay, correct. So next is Tari. Tari, can you read to me the next paragraph? Soon until their home.
Soon Dayang Sumbi found out that it was not their liver but Tumang's dog. So she was furious and hit Sampuriang's head. In that incident, Sampuriang got wounded and a scar was cast away from their home.
Okay, thank you. And next, Indri. Indri, please read the next paragraph.
Years passed and Sampuriang traveled to many places and finally arrived at the beach. He met a beautiful woman and fell in love with her. When they were discussing their wedding plans, the woman looked at the moon and Sampuriang had met her son Juan, who had left several years ago. Soon, she realized that she had fallen in love with her son.
Okay, thank you. And next, Abdul. She couldn't marry him.
She couldn't marry him, but how to say it? Then she found the way. She needed a light and a boat to celebrate their wedding day. Sampuriang had to make them one night before sunrise. He built a lake and went down just a moment away. The boat was almost complete. Dayang Sumbi had to stop it. Then she lit up the eastern horizon with flashes of light. It made the cock crowded for a new day.
Okay, thank you so much, Abdul. But mispronunciation, like then she found the way. Earlier you said then she found the way, right? So the correct pronunciation is she found the way. Can you? Okay, can you say it again? Then she found the way.
Then she found the way.
Okay, and the next, the last paragraph actually. Dila, can you? Sampuriang failed.
Sampuriang failed to marry her. He was afraid and then kicked the boat. It fell over and became the mountain of
types of narrative text is about Sampuriang and Dayang Sumbi. So now we will analyze the text and we will find the generic structure and the language feature. So okay, so generic structure. Okay, Latifah, do you know what is the generic structure that I explained before?
Orientation.
The first one is orientation. And the second. Complication. After that,
Resolution.
solution and reorientation. And how about the language feature? Who still remember what is the language feature of narrative text? Indri, do you know what is language feature?
Simple past tense.
Okay, simple past tense. And then
Verb of time.
verb of time. And then adjective and noun phrase. Okay. Okay, so we already learned about the generic structure and the language feature. So now we will analyze the Sampuriang and Dayang Sumbi about the generic structure and language feature. Who knows the first generic structure, the orientation? Can you name it? Which part is the orientation?
The first paragraph.
Okay, the first paragraph is orientation. And how about the complication? Which part is the complication? Okay, the second paragraph is the complication. And the resolution. Which part is the resolution? The third is resolution. And the last is reorientation or the moral message.
Last.
The last. This one, yeah. Okay. Next, we will analyze the language feature. So the first one is simple past tense. Indri, can you tell me which part is the simple past tense? Live. Okay. And then, can you find another example? They were. Okay. And
Was born.
okay. Thank you so much, Indri. And adverb of time. Rian, can you find adverb of time of this story?
Once upon a time,
Okay, once upon a time. And then
after hunting all day,
after hunting all day. And then
after that, years passed.
okay, yes, pass. And the next is adjective. Latifah, can you tell me can you find the adjective? Okay. And then
Phone. Please. Curious.
curious, and then
Scar.
okay. And the last is noun phrase. Can anyone find the noun phrase at this text? Abdul?
What, miss?
The noun phrase. Can you find the noun phrase? This one. Please.
No, miss.
No, Ria?
I have no idea, miss.
Oh, you have no idea. Okay. Anyone? No one can find? It's okay. No, Indri? No? She what? Do you know the answer? No, okay, so since no one's know, we just move into the next types. The first one is about legend, right? The types of this text is legend. And next is the tortoise and the hare. I want Tifa to read the first and the second paragraph.
In a part of forest, there was no for his speed and hollow grass. He would constantly brag about how fast he was and how he could outrun anyone. One day, a tortoise challenged him to a race. The hare looked and accepted the challenge, thinking it would be an easy win. As the race began, the hare ran ahead of the tortoise and quickly grew tired. He decided to take a nap, thinking that he had plenty of time to catch up to a slow-moving tortoise.
Okay. You did a great job, Tifa, but you say something that mispronunciation like grew tired. You say before grew tired, right? So the correct pronounce is grew tired. Can you say it again?
Tired.
Okay, thank you so much. And next, Rion, please read the next.
Which paragraph, miss?
Meanwhile,
Meanwhile.
till the end.
Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving steadily towards the finish line. When the hare finally woke up and started running again, it was too late. The tortoise had already won the race. The moral of the story is that slow and steady wins the race.
Okay, thank you so much, Rion and Latifa. And we do the same like before. We will analyze the general structure and language feature together. And which part is the orientation?
The
The
first
first
paragraph.
paragraph. And the complication?
Second.
Second paragraph. And the resolution?
Third
The
paragraph.
paragraph. The orientation is?
Last paragraph.
And next is language feature. Indri, can you find the simple past tense of this text? There was, and then
The hare laughed
okay,
and accepted. And then the tortoise kept
kept moving adjective. Abdul, can you find it? Adjective.
Speak. Arrogant.
Yes.
And then?
Run.
Hmm? Tired, isn't it?
Yes, miss.
Tired.
Two miss.
And steady. Okay, and the last one, the noun phrase. Rion, can you? The noun phrase.
The tortoise cat movie.
Okay. And then?
He decided to take a nap. The tortoise challenged him to a race.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much everyone for your participation. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for your participation. And next, we will move into the group session. Okay. So I will make you into. I will set you into a group. But I will divide you into a group, but I will play the music. And when I play the music, I want you to walk around the class, like with all of you is walk around the class. And when I stop the music, I will say a number, and I want you to make a group with the number. Okay? Okay, please. Anyone can you understand what I mean? Okay, okay, I will play the music, and then you need to walk around the class, and if I stop the music, I will say a number, and then you will make a group with that number. Okay? Okay, can you understand? Okay, now all of you please stand up. Okay, I will play the music, and you need to walk around, yeah, walk around, not only stay. Okay, walk around, please. Three.
Pas itu.
Latifa, can you
Expect bakal ada kayak gitu kan?
Okay.
Itu mau gemetar. Expect.
Okay, we'll start again. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Itu tadi saya.
Five. One, two, three, four, five. One. Oh, it's 6.
Enam tuh.
Yeah, 6.
Sabar kan.
Okay, and
Kok marah? Fun tadi.
okay. Next, we'll play again. Can you play again? Walk around.
Tak selama. Kalau serius kan? Sehat. Nah, ada lagi sorang-sorang kok.
Three. Okay, so it will be your group. This one is group 1, 2, and 3. And 4 of you, can you please stay in front of this board? And group 1, can you sit here and make a circle? And group 2, sit there, and group 3. Okay, and about group 4, before you sit with your group, I will ask a question first. Okay, I will ask you just a simple question. Latifa, can you name 3 of the legend types of narrative text? Louder, please.
Kemarin kuda dan kuliah Tangkuban Perahu.
Okay, and Dila, can you name fairy tale 3.
Cinderella, Snow White, and One Horse,
Beauty and the Beast?
Beauty and the Beast.
Okay, and can you name the generic structure of narrative text?
Presentation, complication, resolution, and orientation.
Okay, and the last, can you name the language feature of narrative text?
People past tense are full of time, indicate and refrain.
Okay, so 4 of you is group 4, and can you make a circle at the front of you?
Masih lihat ada apa ya?
Okay, so now I will make a new narrative text, but actually we'll make it together. Wait. Okay, so the next narrative text, you will make the narrative text with this title, okay? The Magic Forest. Okay, but before you make a whole paragraph, I have a question. Actually, we'll make it together, not only your group. So we will collaborate the new text of this. And the title of our text is The Magic Forest. Okay. Okay, so The Magic Forest. We'll make it together. Who want to name the main character of this text? Latifa? Indri. Okay, so the main character is Indri. Indri. Okay, and then Indri is what age of Indri? Is she a little girl or what? A little girl. A little girl. A little girl. Okay, and then group 3. When did story happen? Background. In a small village or in a small village. Background. Okay, and then next, group 2. What do you want in the what problem did Indri face? The problem of this forest. What?
Financial problem. Financial problem itu lah.
She got shot
Yeah.
at the forest.
Yes. She got shot by the hunter.
Right. And group 1, I think it's not funny if there only conflict. If only one conflict. Another conflict, please.
Logging. Penambangan ilegal. Pembalakan dia.
That's not science fiction.
So Indri problem is maksudnya illegal
Logging.
logging
Double G.
logging like this.
Yes.
And then itu how did Indri solve the problem? Group 1, can you
Ini is that
Iya.
dia pergi ke dukun.
Gratifikasi.
He met di Unisa apa sih sebenarnya? She met the
She?
witch. Which she
Which
meets the witch to solve the problem.
With
Okay, black magic.
the witch.
Tidak harus apa deh.
Okay, so this is the point of the stories, and you need to complete this point into a paragraph. Okay, so the title is The Magic Forest. The main character is Indri. She is a little girl. The background of the story in a small village. The conflict is she got shot by the hunter and illegal logging, and the problem solved by she met the witch. Okay, I give you 7 minutes. 7 minutes to make this point into a text. Okay.
Iya, gampang. Jadi video lah. Gampang. Sampai panjang tidak?
Itu yang buat fiction.
Oh, I'm sorry, Indri.
Kayak kamu semuanya itu kan.
Yang terakhir
Kayak makan kan.
Miss, Miss.
But you still have 3 minutes.
Miss, excuse me.
Okay, the time is up. So, group 1 we finish?
Yes, miss. Group
Group
1.
1?
Yes.
Group 1, group 2?
Yes, Miss.
Group 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Group 4?
Yes,
Okay, so, who wants to be a volunteer to, okay, group 2, please.
Okay. We will explain the text not the text. We will tell the story about Indri that we have made. So the title is The Magic Forest. In a small village, there lived a brave girl named Indri. Near her village, there was a magic forest filled with beautiful trees and wild animals. Indri loved the forest very much.
One day, illegal loggers came to the forest and cut down many trees. Indri tried to stop them, but suddenly a hunter resident stopped her while hunting in the forest. Indri was very hurt and afraid.
Then Indri met kind witch who lived inside the magic forest. The witch healed her world with magic powers and helped her stop the illegal loggers. Finally, the forest became peaceful again, and the villagers protected the forest together. Since that day, Indri and the villagers promised to keep the magic forest safe forever.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And another group. Okay, group one. Group one.
Once upon a time, in the magic forest, there lived Pixie and Indri. She is the guardian of the forest. It said, the magic forest had a hidden treasure in the small village of Pixie. Indri lived there.
One day, she saw a strange activities near the side of the forest. It was a man who chopped the tree, Indri curious by seeing it.
And then when Indri furious, he come to the man and said, "What are you doing? Stop!" And then the man is angry and bring her gun, shoot the pixie, shoot the Indri. Luckily, Indri didn't die. She just got hole in body. And then Indri saved himself and run, and then meets a witch in the magic forest to get ahead. And then the witch says, "Okay, I help you. I will make the magic forest fly." And the problem is solved. The man doesn't get any wood or tree again. Thank you.
Okay. Roger still want to present your yes, group 3.
Long ago, in a small village, there lived a little girl named Indri. She was kind and loved the forest near her village.
One day, Indri discovered that some people were doing illegal logging in the forest. She went to tell the villagers about it. Afraid of being caught, the loggers paid a hunter to stop her. While Indri was walking in the forest, the hunter shot her with an arrow.
As Indri lay injured, a witch appeared and helped her with magic. The witch healed Indri and gave her the power to restore the forest. The illegal loggers were caught and the forest became beautiful again.
Okay. Okay, because we're running out of time, so group 4 you cannot present your response. Okay, and the next we move into the individual class, and I will share this. Ini individual.
Okay.
Ini individual. Okay, so you have 5 minutes to make your own narrative text.
Done, miss.
Done?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so because the limit of time, but actually all of you is already done with the text. But because the limit of time, we will just next in the next week. Okay. So who can conclude what we learned today? Latifa, please.
We learned narrative text.
Louder, please.
Narrative text.
Okay. So what is the conclusion?
The narrative text have a structure like orientation, application, conclusion, and representation. The narrative features is simple past tense, verb of time, adjective, and noun phrase.
Okay. Okay. So maybe that's all our lesson today. How do you feel about what we learned today?
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Okay. Is it difficult to learn narrative text?
No.
Easy.
Okay. So maybe that's all for today. Thank you so much for your participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.